Good morning. My name is Sairam Bhat. I am a professor of law at the National Law School of India, University, Bengaluru, and we propose to offer a MOOC 12-week 4-credit course on environment and social governance. We at the National Law School have a Center for Environment Law called CEERA, and we have been doing both academic research, industrial research, litigation and advocacy support for both the government as well as the industry on various matters of environmental governance over the past 25 years. We also have 4 courses on NPTEL MOOC platform, and here we saw an opportunity to offer a course on ESG. Through NPTEL, we had offered already a 5-hour ESG workshop with specific reference to energy sector, which was very well received, and that has prompted us to make this application to offer a course on ESG in a broad framework. Environment has its own set of challenges, especially with the Paris Agreement and international framework, where we expect to reduce greenhouse emissions, meet climate goals, and take climate action. And in this endeavor, I think the world has recognized the role of corporations or the non-state actors. Corporates all over the world have developed their ESG framework. G stands for governance, where governance of any such business entity has to be responsible, it has to actually be ethical, and it has to be under the framework of law, not only domestic but also international. Social stands for aspects of labor and society, taking care of various stakeholders, including indigenous rights, societal framework like corporate social responsibility, so on and so forth. And finally, the environmental framework is where I think we look at environmental compliances and other challenges of waste management, where we talk about waste recovery management, not waste management per se. So the idea behind this course is to look at the ESG law, policy and framework, not only in India, but also looking at international and comparative ESG framework, so that industries are well prepared to take this not only in terms of training, capacity building, but also in terms of their reporting standards. So with ESG now becoming an important aspect in sectorial application, be it the energy sector, be it the automobile sector, be it the aviation or the shipping industry, I think every activity across the world has to show some kind of business responsibility and sustainable practices. And with SEBI coming up with the BRSR guidelines, with Reserve Bank of India talking about green financing, I think the impetus is very right in India. As we move forward to a Viksit Bharat in 2047, it's not only a developed India, but also a developed and sustainable India. And hence, we would offer this course both from a policy dimension, especially public policy dimension, and also from a management and a governance dimension, looking at corporate boardroom strategies, looking at technological solutions, and looking at how compliance and reporting should be taken forward. So we aim to offer this course to those who are from the industry, who are looking for specializing in the ESG framework. We are looking for environmental engineers. We are looking for ESG policy thinkers, management experts, those who are on the CSR committees, those who believe that governance has to be more inclusive, while we talk about representation of women and gender diversity, employee benefits, labor benefits and social benefits. So anyone who wishes to look at corporate governance as a responsible, sustainable governance, including directors, managing directors, civil servants who wish to be on the board of public sector undertakings, banks, institutions and businesses, including startups, should be able to take the benefit of this course, especially from a legal and a management and a public policy dimension. So we hope that we'll be able to add credibility to the course by bringing in a lot of case study approaches and industrial experiences, but more specifically a sectorial specific analysis, like for example the energy sector. We look forward to seeking this opportunity from the Government of India. Thank you.